Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start Rocket League and wait at the main menu until it fully loads. Move to Options with your controller or keyboard. Open the Online tab to view matchmaking region and voice settings. Observe your current region and typical ping in the top right of the screen. If you want a specific region, consider turning off cross-platform play to prefer platform-only matches. Note that changing this setting may affect match availability and queue times noticeably. Within the Online tab, find Region Selection and open the drop-down menu. Choose the region that shows the lowest ping and best connection for your area. A lower ping, for example below 100 ms, gives smoother gameplay and faster hit registration. Remember that selecting a faraway region can increase lag and packet loss. Close options and restart matchmaking or leave and rejoin quick play to ensure the new server applies correctly. For the best connection, use a wired Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi whenever possible. Wired connections typically reduce jitter and lower ping compared to wireless connections. Check your ISP speed and aim for at least 5 Mbps upload and stable latency to avoid rubber banding. If you still experience issues, restart your router and console or PC. Verify that your NAT type is open to improve matchmaking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.